Hello and welcome to the 741 channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to try and get this security tag off of this shoe that we bought for my son. So to prove I didn't steal the shoes, here's the receipt. I'm not sure why, but when we walked out of the store the alarm never went off and the tag is still there. So somehow I got to get this thing off without the ink coming out and making a big mess and ruining the shoes. So all I need to remove the security tag is this powerful magnet that I scavenged from an old computer hard drive. So all I'm going to do is take the magnet and touch it to the base of the security tag opposite to where this pin is. So what should happen is you'll hear the inner mechanism click and then it'll release the pin and this part will just pop right out and the ink won't come out. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment or subscribe, feel free to do that as well. If you'd like to support my channel in another way, please consider visiting my Amazon store, which is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.